Okay, so for this question, we're going to review the shoelace method and also finding the fourth coordinate of a parallelogram. So we did it in the first teaching worksheet. So before I go to that part, I'm going to review the property of a parallelogram. So the normal property will be the opposite are same length. So opposite are same length. So opposite same length. And opposite length are parallel. So all these are the basic idea that you should know. So what I'm going to emphasize is the midpoint. So they actually share the same midpoint. So they will share the same midpoint. Midpoint of AC will be equal to the midpoint of BD. So you will use this idea to find the fourth coordinates. So of course, if you have all the coordinates already and you would like to find shoelace, you would like to find area, just apply the shoelace. So for this question, the first part, they ask for the area. So this is area of a triangle. So you just apply shoelace. So if I want to find area, I got to apply shoelace. So can it be for a triangle? Yes, as long as you got all the coordinates. So make sure you do it in an anti-clockwise manner. And make sure you remember to repeat the first coordinate. And where is the shoelace? The down part is the blue shoelace. Then you're going to minus the red shoelace. So give it a try. See whether you still can work it out. Now, the next one is to find the coordinates of D. Okay, so when you're doing this, right, make sure you follow it in alphabetical order. So A, B, C, D will be somewhere here. So D will be somewhere here. So usually I will let D be XY, AB. Okay, we did this in the first teaching worksheet. So that's just a recap. So now I'm going to use the midpoint of the diagonal. So please don't go and use the wrong diagonal. So I'm going to work it out. I'm going to work out the midpoint of AC first. So use your formula to work it out. You share the X coordinate. Then you also share the Y coordinate. Okay, then you also work out the midpoint of BD. So there is a A and B here, so you also share. Share the X, share the Y. And because they are supposed to be the same, so now you will compare. Compare with the midpoint of AC. So compare the X with the X, compare the Y with the Y, and see what you get for your A and B. So that will be the coordinates of D. So this fourth coordinate is still applicable for rectangle, rhombus, and square. So you just need to remember this method. It is one of the very critical A math chord job method in O levels.